This is what I'm doing 5 times a week right now. Doing all the physio over here at Westside. I'm here 4 times a week right now. Totally worth it.
This contraption is where I put my hand now because of the accident. I'm going to loosen it up with the heat. Well, hello everybody. I'm just over at Queenie Park after the gym. I brought my camera bag and we're gonna go get some beautiful time-lapse footage for everybody. So I know you guys love that fast-forward footage. I love it too. So this is how I get all that stuff you see in the intros and the outros. It's all done like this. We take my camera down here, bring it to all sorts of beautiful places, throw it up for 15-20 minutes and see what happens. I'm going to film a few today here up at Queenie Park and over at the water. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, now you know how we got it. I also got a brand new time-lapse mount today, so we're going to give that a try. So we'll see how it looks. Let's cut to that right now. Just checking out some of the modern art down in the Queenie Park. Check out the water fountain. And that's how you get some time-lapse footage. Hey guys, remember, sometimes you just gotta stop and smell the flowers. Oh, this is the Queenie Flower Garden, the Memorial Garden, down below the Queen Elizabeth Park there. Such a beautiful spot. So, it's your good guy recommendation for the day. Just finished all the fast forward footage for you guys. Just heading home to edit the vlogs and the rest of the videos. And then we're gonna go hang out at that appointment flying the drone footage over at the golf course. So wish me luck with that one tonight, guys. I'll bring you the footage tomorrow.
Dead or alive, you are coming with me. I know you. You're dead. We killed you! We killed you!